Hi, our project is called Hub for IoT. So imagine that you have multiple IoT devices, like the mobile phones, smart watches, like tablets. So we want to build a centralized system that can make the people manage their devices more easily. And then we add more some features to this system, such as you can add a new device to the system through scanning the QR code. And also, like you can choose the device to play your favorite song or video. And the system can check for the software update and manages the user access. And we want to measure that the system is implemented as a web app. So in this way, you don't need to download a new app. You can use your web browser to interact with our system. And then Ken will talk about our how to design system.
Well, hello. There are 4 big challenges or goals that drive us how we design our system and how we made our design decisions. The first one is scalability. So as we talked about earlier, the number of IoT devices is increasing dramatically. So our IoT hub should be able to handle dozens or even hundreds of IoT devices. The second one is extensibility. Since we don't know what IoT devices will be in the future, the hub should be able to add new features and even new types of IoT devices easily. The third one is usability. Since we target at users without technology background, the hub server should be as easy to use as possible. And the fourth one is compatibility. We would like our users to use the hub from different devices. Now let's look at our system architecture. It has 3 major parts. The most important one is the hub, IoT hub. It includes a router and a server. The main functionalities including adding new IoT devices, control them, and do user management control. And the server can run either locally or remotely. It's now running on Amazon AWS. And the second part is the IoT devices. We now use 2 laptops to simulate them. They connect with the server through WebSocket. And the third part is the user and his cell phone. Since we implement our server as a web app, the user simply uses his cell phone's web browser to connect to the server, and he can send the commands to the IoT devices and let them to get access to the internet services. Now there are some main design decisions we made. The first and most important one, we implement it as a web app since we want it to be platform independent, and we aim at high portability. And also we choose to make the client stateless. It's perfect to think our client as a remote TV controller. Each user uses the client as a TV controller. And also the router provides a centralized device management. Is a venue for the users to monitor the behaviors of the IoT devices. Also, we designed uniform metadata protocol to allow adding different devices from different manufacturers, and our hub server provides fine-grained user access control. Now we would like to give Mengjin to give a live demo.
Okay, so first we go to our hub, and we need to sign up account. We just call it hub@gmail, and the password probably hub. And sign up account. And for now, we're going to the main page of our hub, and we'll click here, add device. Here's a QR code scanner, and we can scan the QR code here. And this is a device we newly brought home, and it is a TV, and we can scan the QR code here. And we click the URL here. We can see that there's a device now is connecting. It is now exchange metadata with the server. And we need to wait for a while to make it connected. We can see that the device name is on the screen, and we can go to the device. And we can see that this is a Samsung Smart TV. And we can play YouTube video on this device. And we can click YouTube here, and it log into the YouTube account already embedded in the browser. And we got a list of videos. We can click one of the videos, and it will play it on the TV we just brought home. And we can control the volume here. and make it louder, but probably the room is too noisy to hear the sound, and we can make the volume smaller, and we can also stop the video and resume the video. And for this device, if we want other person to control it, we can also use the authenticate users button to add another user to control this device. So if we have another phone, and we go to our hub, and we also sign up another account. Make it IoT@gmail, and the password would be 1, 2, 3, sign up, and refresh it. We can see that it's log into the page, and if we here add the username IoT@gmail. To and add this user to the device, we can see that the user appear here, and at this device, if we at this client, if we refresh the page, we can see the Samsung display already appear here, and we can also go to this device and click YouTube here. You can see there's also a list of video here. We can just choose one to play, and this user can also control the display. It can resume, stop and resume, and for the previous client, we go back, and it can still control this device, like stop and resume. And this is basically the demo for our hub for Internet of Things.